There are so many things half, anything half, half universe is covered with water. The universe half is covered with water, and in that lies, who lies? Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. He lies on that. So anyway, half lion, half man, Narsimha, another half. Anyway, so Krishna consciousness is all auspicious. That is the point here. Many times people feel, what way I do service to the society. Correct? People have this idea, what way I should do service to the society. I can do like this, I can do like that. But actually, if you become devotee, automatically you do all the service. Understand? That example is of Prahlad Maharaj. When Narasimhadeva asked Prahlad Maharaj, what benediction do I give you? So Prahlad Maharaj in the beginning said, no, I am born in a demonic family. Please don't entice me. I'll get attracted. And what is his opulence? I saw in a second my father lost everything. Agree? You saw in front of him the father having so much opulence and just blown away in a minute. So this is temporary opulence. I am not interested. And then after continued offering prayers to the Lord, and then he said, my Lord, if you want to give me something, give me this. You forgive my father. My father was so envious of you. And then what happens? After that, the Narasimhadeva says, forgive your one father. I have already delivered your 21 generations. Kitna? 21 generations. That means your father, father's father, father's father's father, father's 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 father. How many you can remember? You know your father's name? You know your grandfather's name? You know your grandfather's father's name?
Yeah.
You know your grandfather's grandfather's name?
Yeah.
How many generations you know? Huh? No, but how many you remember the names? 5. Oh, very good. But 21, who will remember? So Prabhupada writes in the purport there, nobody remembers 21. In fact, previous marriage you used to tell the 7 names. They used to see, even it is scientifically very correct, 7 generations there should be no match. In a civilized society, there some people are there, they marry sisters, brothers. There's some situation, mama's child, we have. But actually, strictly speaking, genetically it is very dangerous. A defect will get multiplied. Correct. So anyway, so 7 generations, it was a rule also. Correct? If they will, the husband, 2 boy and a girl come for marriage, they will discuss everything. Then they will say, tell the name of the father. People will say 7 names, they will check. You tell 7 names, there should be no match. They used to check. Okay. So 7 was a rule. So Prabhupada says actually more than 7 nobody remembers. Impossible. 4, 5 is extraordinary. Generally 2, 3 only. So he said this refers to 3 births of Prahlad. This birth, previous birth 7 generation, previous birth 7 generation. You got it? That means he says because he has become a pure devotee, how many people have been delivered? 3 births of Prahlad, 7 parents each. Just imagine how auspicious it is to become a devotee. We can do service to society in so many ways, but no way service can be done like this. If you become a devotee, you're going to bless. Krishna is good because Krishna will say, okay, you also granted some commission, blessing. So you become a nice devotee, your father, mother get blessing of Krishna. Okay. Commission, some commission. It's like you get commission. When you sell something, you get some profit, no? So like that, they get special profit. So this way we should understand actually. In Krishna consciousness, there is, Prabhupada says, Krishna consciousness movement is a boon for the human society. He says the word boon so loudly, it's like he breaks the mic. Boon for the human society. He's so confident about it. We are not so confident. Correct? That's why we are not able to encourage everybody to take up to Krishna consciousness, because we do not know it is how we do not know that how auspicious it is. To certain extent we are convinced. Correct? Just like you have some sweet and you know it is very nice. So somebody will take, no. So if you are really tasting, take, no. If you are not tasting, you can also try. So many times we say people, you also try chanting. But if you are actually enjoying Krishna consciousness, we will be able to force him to start tasting. You understand? It is said, Name Ruchi, Jive Daya go together. When we are chanting attentively, this is one thing we should do. When we chant, we should chant very, very attentively. So when you chant attentively, chanting we do, but it's not attentive. When you sit and chant very attentively means, how do you chant attentively? You are hearing every word very, very attentively. First thing, you are very conscious, why I am chanting. Why are we chanting? But why? Okay.
That is first primary duty to connect with yourself.
It is the soul's food.
Soul's food. And it's the order of the Acharya. That should be the best meditation. Correct? What is it? Order of the Acharya. Prabhupada said to chant Hare Krishna. Therefore, this is the best meditation. A Guru has said, Prabhupada said, that meditation is the best meditation. Then when you are chanting, your chanting becomes pure. This is a very interesting thing. Any service done as an order of a higher authority becomes pure, even though it may not be pure. Just like you are offering now bhoga now. Why do we chant the pranam mantra of the acharyas? Why?
It might be not.
Yeah, you will not be able to have no devotion, no love. Krishna, I am keeping in front of you because you are great devotees. They have ordered. We remember Lord Chaitanya. We remember Srila Prabhupada. You all have ordered, so I kept this plate. So Krishna said, okay, I'll accept it. Just like sometimes you go to meet somebody and usko bolte hain ye kaam hai, and he's not getting interested. What do you say? वो आदमी आपका, we take the name of, that person sent me. Oh really? He does his work. Happens, no? You go for some work to some office and that person is not doing work. You say, do you know my father? Oh, what is the name? Oh, I know your father. So immediately does the work, correct? If you take a connection, so similarly we present ourselves to the Lord always as a servant of the devotees. And when you present yourself like that, then the service, even though you are not pure, it is taken 100%. Just like you are offering chapati which is burnt, because that's all you can do. You don't know how to cook, you have no devotion, but still Krishna will accept. Oh, he has told, I'll accept. He told you to offer, I'll accept. You got it? You understand? Just like Brahma gave so many benedictions to Hiranyakashipu. Why Krishna has to follow those benedictions? He did not follow the benediction. But does Krishna has to follow the benediction? No. But still, why did Krishna took that half man, half?
He's like he doesn't want to break two others.
He wants to?
It's like he wants to follow the rules. It's like there is a rule that they have to not break.
Yeah, see his dear devotee Brahma. Brahma is very dear to Krishna. We are reading in Bhagavatam 2nd canto, Brahma shook hand with Krishna. Very, very dear to Krishna. Krishna will not shake hand with everybody. After Brahma was born on the lotus, he was alone in the whole universe. He was the first person. He did not know anything. Who am I? Why this universe? How do I create? He didn't know anything, total. And he started praying to the Lord. And his tapasya, like this, intense prayer, went for a long time. Then Krishna, first Narayana gave darshan, then Krishna came and met him. And Krishna shook hand with him. So much. He said, I am very, very satisfied by your tapasya. Krishna mentions there, I am not satisfied by people who are not sincere. He says there. So Krishna becomes very pleased and he blesses Brahma. To give them power of creation. So Brahma has all the powers for the blessing of creation and is very dear to Krishna. So when Brahma has given benediction, Krishna will not break that. Even though Krishna is not bound to follow. Correct? Brahma said he will not die in the day or night. Because Brahma said it, therefore Krishna honored it. Correct? Why did Krishna honor? He could have killed in the day only, no? Krishna came when it was neither day, neither night. Neither inside, neither outside. Neither on the land. Huh?
Neither human, neither animal.
That's why he took that form. Then, killed by the nails, no weapon. Neither. So many reasons. On the lap, huh?
On the lap.
Not on the ground, not in the air, on the lap. No weapon by nails. Why did Krishna has to follow? In fact, after Krishna kills, Narasimhadeva kills Hiranyakashipu, and all the prayers get over, then he asked Brahma, why you give such kind of benedictions? Made it so complicated. Correct? You have to think, okay, not inside. What you have told? Not inside, not outside. Okay, what I'll do? Okay, I'll do on the doorway. What you have told? Not on the ground, not on the air. Where? Okay, on the lap. Take na? Krishna always finds a way out. As much people can plan, I will not die. Krishna will come in one day, make you leave the body. Anna? It's just like we are like a tenant. When the landlord says you have to go, you have to go. You have no choice. Agree? So one time we have to leave the body. But what is the point we have to learn here? That Krishna loves his devotees. So Krishna follows what the devotee has given order, but actually there was no need for him to follow. So the whole point was, coming back, was that Krishna consciousness is all auspicious. It's all auspicious. Understood? So Prahlad Maharaj became a great devotee. Whole family was blessed. Right? 21 generations. How many generations? 21 generations were blessed. So similarly, even in the family, and husband and wife, if wife does devotion service, husband gets the blessing. If one is not able to do, one does, other gets the blessing. How auspicious it is. Right? There can be nothing more auspicious. In fact, it is Punya Shavana Kirtana. What is the shloka? Shanvatam Sukatha Krishna Punya Shavana. Then Hridyantastoya Bhadrani Vidunoti Suhasata. Prabhupada was on the cargo ship when he was landing in America. He wrote a prayer. Boro Krishna Khole Boro Kripa Khole Krishna Ame Prati. Very nice song. It actually, you see in the diary, it is written in Bengali. He offers this prayer to Krishna. In that, he offers to Krishna that I am, my Lord, helpless. I know I am at your hand. You please give me power. This task that you have brought me for is impossible. Don't think it is so easy. Otherwise you have to pray. It's impossible. Suppose you are a weightlifter, you have to lift 100 kilo. Suddenly somebody gives 1000 kilo. Oh my Lord, impossible, I cannot lift it. So similarly, he is anyway as a pure devotee, he is not thinking he is powerful enough. He is always feeling, my Lord, you empower me. That's why we should have everyday attitude. My Lord, before we sleep, I don't have power to get up in the morning. Give me strength. And you get up. Lord, I want to chant the holy name attentively. I have no capacity to do it. So every moment we depend on the Lord. You are preaching to somebody, you should always know. Once what happened, that devotees were doing very good book distribution. They went to Prabhupada and said, Prabhupada, we can form some Shri Shri Radha Govinda Ki. What we can do is that those who are very good in book distribution, they can travel to different temples and they can train other devotees how to distribute books nicely. Because in America, that is the main service. In America, nobody is going to give donation. Correct? Only way ISKCON raised the movement, money those days was by book distribution. So they asked Prabhupada, is it all right? We send devotees who are doing very well. There were some devotees like Tripurari and others, exceptionally well book distributed. In a day they will sell so many books. So can they go travel different temples? ISKCON meant that time ISKCON America. Today ISKCON means ISKCON India and ISKCON Gulf. Where it is exploding, and ISKCON Russia maybe. Those days it was ISKCON America. So should we do like that? So Prabhupada said, That's okay. But one thing don't forget. Book distribution is not by techniques alone. It is by your sincerity. The Lord in His heart. When you are preaching, you are actually praying to the Lord in His heart to please inspire Him. Because you see, we get so many thoughts in the mind. Do you get? From where they are coming? From the Lord in the heart. That is why you can know God is sitting. How do you know God is sitting? Say, that is given in the Bhagavatam. We can perceive that Atma is there by knowing that I am conscious. So you can know Atma is there. How do you know Atma is there? Because you are living. Yeah, because you're conscious. Life means Atma. Living body, no, living soul, dead body. Always remember. Living soul, dead body. Living soul, dead body. Soul is living, body is always dead. Body is dead even now. When the soul leaves, it falls. It's just like a car. Car is always dead. Living is the driver who drives it. Agree? You understand? So now, when we are actually, sometimes you're sitting, say, in a dark room, suddenly get an inspiration. Some sound comes. Turn right. Get up now. What do you assume? Somebody is speaking, no? What do you assume? Because fan fell, some books fell, the sound came. No. How can a clear discussion come? Particularly which is very relevant for that moment. How can it come? So by that you can know somebody is there with you. That is the God sitting in your heart. Okay? But also because we are not pure now, sometimes this crazy mind also imitates the sound of the Lord. Mrigari instance, you know. Mriga, not Mrigari. When Sita saw that golden deer, Marichi. So what did Marichi do? Mother Sita said, I want that deer. It's a pastime going on. Not that she is attracted to the deer. They wanted to do, their Leela was manifesting. And then Ravana comes and, before Ravana comes, what happens? The Marichi, when Lord Rama runs behind him, he starts behaving like Adbhuta deer. He's taking him deep inside the forest. And Lord Rama understands he's a demon. Finally. And he takes his bow and he throws arrow at him and he kills him. When he dies, he exactly imitates the voice of Lord Rama. Correct? Sita, send Lakshman. Correct? And then she forces Lakshman to go, and that's where Ravana comes. The same way, our mind also imitates the inspiration of the super soul. समझ आ गया? मारीची की तरह. Don't chant. Mind will say. Actually, so therefore, because we have a Marichi kind of mind, now when the mind is purified, this does not happen. When the mind is purified, Bhagavad Gita says in 6th chapter, Paramatma starts directly talking to you. Because you have known all this Marichi business is over. Mind is like a demon now. What is that? Demon, like Marichi, correct? It is giving all wrong, and as you are feeling, it's a correct inspiration. You are developing faith, I should do this, it is very nice. It's happening. So what do I do? Therefore, if you get an inspiration, should you follow it or you should check with somebody? You get inspiration, kill somebody now. You'll do it that immediately, or what you'll do? Who? Yes. Guru Sadhu Shastra. Check with Shastra. It says smoke one cigarette today. What you should do? Check with Guru Sadhu Shastra. Should I smoke a cigarette? No. Then you know this was Marichi. This was not Paramatma. You can know, na? You have to check. Because mind at this stage is so impure, is very clever. Exactly, it gives an inspiration. And you feel this is good for me. Why so many people are smoking and drinking? They are following this crazy mind, which is imitating actually giving inspiration in the business of Paramatma. Mind has nothing to do with it. What is mind doing? It's imitating the work of Paramatma, correct? Just like, say, suppose somebody comes and advises your child, you should do like that. You say, please stop. I am the mother. It's my business to guide the child. Don't come in between, correct? So similarly, it's the Lord's business to guide the soul. We are His children, correct? Krishna is constantly guiding out of, not artificially, out of love He is guiding. Every moment is guiding. So Hridam Sarva Bhuta Nam, he is the best friend of the every living entity Krishna is guiding. But the mind, by the will of Krishna, it's not without the will of Krishna, takes a role of misguiding you. And we won't listen. We listen. That is, and that is our misfortune, we listen. Jiva jago, Gaura Chanda bole. Then, Koto, Pishachira. That is the mind. How long you will take shelter of this mind? Give up the shelter of the mind, but will not give up. Nicely taking shelter. Whatever my mind says, who's actually behaving like a witch and sucking my blood, sucking my life, and I want to follow it. That is my misfortune. Therefore, Prabhupada says so sweetly, if you like, you can follow me. He says that Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, if you like, you can follow me. So actually Krishna does not force you. Just like say, some person is misguiding the child, a witch, and taking the blood also, and child is like, and is still following. Now you cannot force. What do you say? If you like, you can follow me. Cannot force. Can you? So Krishna does not force. He knows you are killing yourself. What are you doing? But he says, if you like, you can follow me. Therefore Prabhupada says very nicely, there is one purport on Bhagavad Gita. Devi esha gudumai maya. Then prapadyante. Mame eva ye prapadyante. Maya etam tarantite. Okay? With the word meaning you should remember. Then it is very nice. Then you tell word meaning, people will fall, give dandavat to you. Devi, as Prabhupada writes a very nice purport there. He says, you cannot cross the influence of Maya, but if you take shelter of me, then Maya will leave you. So there Prabhupada says that, why is it that Krishna gives shelter? So Prabhupada says very nicely, finally, every living entity is the beloved child of Krishna. What is it? A beloved child. Affection is there. Therefore Krishna gives shelter. Okay? So therefore Krishna is waiting to decide. But we can know here as source, Krishna consciousness is so auspicious. It is so auspicious, it's a great victory.